Guys, if you are a solo creator, as in a one-man God squad, as in you do all your own filming, then you will need this, all right? Now, don't get me wrong, okay? I use my tripod every single day, but there are certain instances where this is just not gonna work, and this is gonna work. This is the Amazear Magnetic Mount stand. If I'm at the gym or if I'm out in public and I don't wanna have to haul that around, this is magnetic. Plop it on. All right, so let's go stick it to some stuff. Fridge. This is so great. Microwave. Oh my God, this is game changing. So I stuck one of the like adhesive things there. Leave it so you can see that it's holding it. That is so great. So you can see, you can basically just set those up like anywhere and then just walk up and pop it on. Yes, yes. So this is what it looks like. Okay, hold these two together like this and then push this down like that. So you hear it, that had like a really tight clamp, which I love that because I don't want this thing falling off. So, and, all right, this to the side to drop this down. And then this is the magnet. So you would stick this to something and then this can articulate like 180 degrees. So you can get top-down shots. Slip this on like this and line it up with the buttons. Pull these two together, snap that into place. Take it off. Don't try to wrestle this clip. Pick this up back here, and then the whole cage comes open and then you can pop out your SD card. You know, you can even buy like little magnetic discs that you can stick to your mirror, and then that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna go stick this to my mirror in my bathroom so that I can just plop it on there. But this is just like from another, you can buy this, like an adhesive magnet. Let's go see. I look a mess because I wasn't planning on being on camera, but because the DJI has face tracking, like say you're doing something for like, whatever, like a toothbrush company, okay? Like this that I filmed the other day. Instead of having to try to hold it in, or put a tripod in kind of close quarters like the bathroom, you can just, okay? And then you can see it's following you, giving people that really like point of view experience. I love this. If you enjoy videos like this about UGC and content creation and tips and gear, go ahead and subscribe because I'm trying to grow the channel. Just a note, this will not fit in here with the cage on, okay? So you will have to take it off, but that doesn't really matter because you have to take it off to get that little SD card out anyway. It's not perfect. All right, guys, well, if you've already made a ginormous investment in, oh, and by the way, this is to tighten this. If you wanna like lock it into place, you can just use this. I mean, if you've already made a huge investment in the Osmo Pocket 3, so give yourself the ability to earn your money back and create the best content by getting this magnetic mount so that you can get shots easy. Just boom, walk up, put it on your fridge.